Hello guys, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you are loving this on-campus placement series. So today I came up with a new problem which is rotate an array by k elements. So there is a small problem statement, but I will take you directly to the problem, which problem state is we have given an array in that we need to shift our like there is a k which is given. So there is a k which is given as 2. We need to shift k elements to the end of the array, which means we need to shift our elements from left to the right side. So as you can see here, we have given as k is 2, so we need to shift 2 elements. So first shift, how it will be look like. So you can see that one is now came to the back, and in the second shift you can see 2 came to the last. Now how we can do that? So guys, there are plenty of solution of this question. This is a very famous question asked in service base as well as in the product base also. So how to approach this question? So the brute force, it is like you can create an array, and in that you will just put the first half, whatever elements, like in this case 1 2, to the end of the array, and last 3 4 5 in the front side from the in the array. So it would be very easy. So I will take you through a very cool approach of this particular question. Is we will apply a formula. So before going to formula, there is also a way to solve this question is block swap algorithm. This is a homework to you. You just go to this particular approach. This is a very simple approach. We just using some swap algorithms to swap the particular elements in the end. Now I will take you to the formula which make this question very easy. So the formula will look like, there is an array will take such as temp I. What is temp I? You will get to know in few seconds, after few seconds. Now temp of I, we need to shift our from the array where we need to shift the ith location, and the given k times we need to shift divided by the length, modded by the length of the array. So this is the formula. You just write it somewhere so that you can see every day, and this formula will set into your mind. This will be very useful to shift your elements from left to right, even to right to left also. So let's see how this particular formula is working. So I have written everything down. As you can see, we have an input which is the same as the above, 1 2 3 4 5. We need to shift our 2 elements to the end of the array. So how we can do that? Same formula I have written here. Now you see, at 0th iteration, when I value is 0, what you need to do is at temp 0. Temp is an array which we will return in the last, which stores the shifted elements or a resultant array. Fine. So 0th index, what we need to put? We need to put the first the current index that we are on, or how many shift we need. So there's shift will be given. So this is the k value. So we need to add and mod by 2, mod by the length of the array. In this case, we have 5 as a length of the array. Now see the magic. So the magic is array of 2, which means at temp 0th location, 0th index, put the element which is there on the second index. What is the element present on the second index? We have 3. So as you can see, we have put in 3 here. Now you see the magic, how we have shifted 3 to 2 times forward. Like this, will shift everything 2 times forward, and our resultant array will be made. But why we are using mod? Why we are not using anything else? Because mod has a special property. Like let's say this case you see 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 mod 5 result give us as 0, which means we can target to the 0. And after this, like 5 mod 5 gave us 0, then if you mod 6 mod 5, it will give 1, then 7 mod 5 it will give 2, like that, and then again it will go back to 0, and we'll start it again from 1 2 3 4 5. This is the magic of modulus operator. So we have used this. If you are not able to get what we are doing actually here, I will I will request you to take the paper and pen and just do the same thing that I have did. After that there is a homework for you. Homework solution will be given in the code file, in the description. The code file link will be there. You just go through it after putting few of the approaches by yourself. It is very simple. You just need to swap it to the right to left. In above case we have shifted our element from left to right, and your homework is to shift the element from right to left. Means you need to shift 4 5 in the top, so your array will look like 4 5 1 2 3. So your resultant array will look like this. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely revert you back. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you soon with a new video. Thank you.